Hello, baking lovers. Welcome back to our kitchen where we're whipping up something truly scrumptious today. Flourless banana chocolate chip muffins. These gluten-free delights are moist, naturally sweet, and oh so easy to make. Perfect for breakfast, snacks, or a sweet treat. Let's dive into this 9-minute baking adventure. If you've got overripe bananas sitting on your counter, don't toss them. This recipe is your answer. It's flourless, so it's naturally gluten-free, and packed with banana goodness and melty chocolate chips. Plus, it's kid-friendly and freezer-friendly. Ready to bake? Let's gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need for 12 delicious muffins. 3 medium overripe bananas, about 1½ cups mashed. 2 cups rolled oats, gluten-free if needed. 2 large eggs. 1/4 cup maple syrup or honey, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, dairy-free if preferred, optional, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon for a warm twist. Grab these pantry staples and let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners and give them a quick spritz of non-stick spray to prevent sticking. This ensures our muffins pop out perfectly. Pro tip, use silicone liners for extra ease. Now, let's mash those bananas. Take your 3 overripe bananas. The spottier, the better for sweetness. Mash them with a fork until smooth. You'll need about 1½ cups. Next, pop 2 cups of rolled oats into a blender and blitz until you have a fine oat flour. This is our flourless magic. It's naturally gluten-free and adds a hearty texture. Now that the oats are ready and the bananas are mashed, we're set to combine wet and dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the mashed bananas, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. In another bowl, mix your oat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and optional cinnamon. Now, gently fold the dry mix into the wet until just combined. Don't overmix. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup chocolate chips for that gooey goodness. Scoop the batter into your muffin tin, filling each cup to the top for those gorgeous domed tops. Sprinkle a few extra chocolate chips on each for a bakery-style finish. Bake for 18-20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Melted chocolate is fine, just no wet batter. Your kitchen will smell heavenly. Let the muffins cool in the tin for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack. These are best enjoyed warm with melty chocolate in every bite. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 4 days or freeze for up to 3 months. Perfect for breakfast on the go or a cozy snack with tea. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, like it, share your valuable comments, and share it in social groups which will motivate us to deliver more delicious recipes. Thanks for baking with us today. See you in the next video.